mag-umpisa. Kailangan ko yung umpisahan yung pag-vlog ko para naman vlogger ako na may video, diba? Kita-kits later, guys! Bye! Hello, kitties! Well, I really don't know how to start this video, this vlog. This is actually the first time to do this one. And I think yung first vlog is paano magpakapal ng mukha sa public. It's like you need to record yourself. You need to talk while roaming around the mall. So ayun guys, ang first vlog na naisip ko is about cross-stitching. Wait lang. Dito tayo sa right side. Marami lang nakasulis. Wait. So ayun guys, ipupush ko talaga to. Kasi actually it's raining outside and talagang pinush kong makapunta dito just to buy yung other threads na kakailanganin ko para sa cross-stitch. Well, actually nandito pala tayo sa Mega Mall. So nasa ground floor ako. DMC is located sa tapat ng Tax Marshall Read. Yeah, if I can read it. Hi kitties! So, finally, I have my first vlog and it is about cross-stitching and I'm going to show you how I do it. Like, this is my end take already. Yeah. And speechless na ako tuloy. Kanina tinry kong umupo sa food court. I mean, sa upuan sa food court para mag-record ng sarili. But then, very nahihiya pa ako. Diyos ko. Ipupush ko talaga to guys. So, pagpasensya nyo na. So, pinag-iisipan ko pa kung paano yung intro ko dito sa vlog ko. So, it's either, hi mga kapusa! Or, hi kitties! Ganun! So, nakakangalit din yung ginagawa ko. Wala kasang videographer. I was looking for a videographer a few weeks back. But then, walang nag-a-apply. Bakit? Yes, I'm about to enter DMC wherein you can see lots of yung mga gamit talaga for cross-stitching. Let's go inside. Hi! DMC means down from edge. So there you go. Yung design specs. So let's pick one. We have Summer Lighthouse. So, ang laman nito is yung pattern. Yung pattern mismo and ikaw nang bahalang bibili ng threads nila. Diba ito violet, favorite color, Bridgeway. Bridgeway, wow, it's so nice. The color is violet. And actually, nandito yung mga kakailanganin nating thread numbers. So, tapakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung thread na may numbers. Actually, madami talaga siya. Colorful talaga, promise. And then, meron din silang something na may words. Char, ano daw? May letters. Ayun. So, it's a pattern lang. Well, I guess, nasa loob yung thread na kakailanganin din. And then, nandito yung mga details. So, 124 times 152 stitches. So, this is a really big pattern. 14 Camber DMC Ada white. And meron din silang mga simple na patterns good for beginners. Well, actually, I have bought a cat pattern. I don't think if nandito pa siya. Let's hanap. Hanapin natin yung cat pattern. Wi-Fi Gray Angel. Well, I guess, ano siya, ubos na. Kasi super ganda talaga niya. And I actually gave it to my boyfriend as my gift. Diba? Sweet ko talaga. Wait, let's see. Saan ba yun? Friends Forever. Girls. Diba? Simple lang siya. So, lahat ng kakailanganin mo is nandito na sa loob. For only 122 pesos for the simpler patterns. For example, ito. So, Black Ada cloth. Tapos, nandito na rin kung paano mo siya gagawin. Ayan. So, basa-basa din pag may time. Running to 186. Siguro for a more complex pattern. So, meron din siyang something na sinasabi. Be happy. Ayun. Pasensya na guys. Kung medyo mahina yung boses ko, syempre kasi nagpaalam lang ako if pwedeng mag-video. And pumayag naman yung may-ari. Wala na yung cat. Yan. Ito, may ano. Mga giraffe. Mini thread cabinet for 1-2. So, blue ang color. And, madami naman kasi 5 times 5. So, 25 mini cabinets. Not necessarily na isang color ng thread sa isang mini drawer. Pwede na rin. And this one, pwede mo nang ilagay lahat ng gamit mo. Diba? Ang cute. And this, hula hoops. Char. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito, but I don't use this one. Mano-mano lang talaga yung ginagawa ko. This is really a cute pattern. And then, nabasa ko dito. Excuse me. Oh, this is really a cute pattern. And sabi niya, DMC dares you to finish this pattern. Be one of the first 50 to finish this chart. Get a limited edition gift. Wow. And I think these are the other patterns na nag-offer ng ganong promo. So guys, ito na yung time na tinanong na ako ng seller if tapos na akong mag-video. So I started buying na. And I have the list naman of the threads that I need for my cross-stitch pattern. Cross-stitch pattern. Which I downloaded from a site which is photostitch.com. So thank you Kuya Jen for telling me about that chart. So ayan, medyo matagal-tagal to guys kasi madami talaga akong kailangang threads. And yung mga hindi ko nahanap na code, ina-assist naman ako ng seller. Actually, at the last part of this, pagkahanap ng thread is tinulungan na niya kasi siya na yung kumuha. So, ayun. Madami to guys. Siguro i-cut na lang natin. Okay.